Hello peeps. Right, today I've brought to you a project which I've been doing with my daughter. We found some diamond DIY kits and they're key rings. So therefore they'll be for Christmas presents and things like that for her friends and family. So she's done these for me and they're very sweet. We haven't done these before. I've done diamond paintings before, big diamond paintings, but I haven't done any of these little ones. So we thought we'd have a go. So I ordered some kits from Amazon and we'll open them and have a look. So I ordered different ones. Those are the butterflies, and then this is the unicorn. So, right. I've got little hands with me today. Say hello, little hands. Okay, so she's going to be my helper. So if you want to get those out, and we'll have a look what we've got in here. So we've got the pen and now that's really useful. We've got some resealable bags to put the leftover diamonds in. I really like that, that's really useful. And we've got our tray, and then little hands, if you'll load that for me. So which one are we gonna try? Yeah, so yes, I probably should show them how to do that, shouldn't I? So the way we do it is we just pop, she's just popped the end of the pen in, twist and pulled out. Okay, so that's done. So which one are we going to do? Okay, I'll show you all the ones we've got. So we've got this one, and they are on both sides, so we'll peel. We've got both sides to work on. So those are really cute, aren't they? Okay, and then here's all the diamonds. We did have a problem with one of the kits I ordered, and they were really pretty hearts, but they didn't have enough of the gems, so we won't be doing those. So they're very pretty, and they all come linked together with the codes that correspond to the numbers in there. And then we've got the bigger diamonds in these ones. And then we've got little hands, if you can pass me. So these are little keyring ends. So we literally put these through, pop it through the hole, and then put it together. So we'll do that at the end. I'll pass those to you. Okay. So which one are we going to do, little hands? Biggest. Okay, so I'm going to start it off so that you can see how we do it. So first off, there's a little film. Actually, this one's coming off. There's a film on either side. So we pull that off. Now that's sticky now, so don't touch that, otherwise you get like little bits of fluff and lint on it. And we'll start with number 3, I think. Just have a go. So we're going to put number 3 diamonds in there. Got number 3. Okay. So we just, ooh, pretty. These are like a pearl white, like an iridescent pearl white. I'm going to start it off, then little hands is going to carry on while we have a look at some of the others. Straight onto his nose. quite relaxing actually. You can do it while you're watching the telly, which is what we did the other night. Watching a movie while doing it. So it's quite straightforward. It's like painting by numbers really, but with little diamonds, which is cute. So I'm going to pass this to Little Hands. She's going to have a go. And then we're going to have a look at some of the other sets. Okay, so that was the unicorns. This is the last one I've got left of the butterfly. Last butterfly one I've got, and the butterfly set was really good. And then what I did, so when we'd finished this one, I sprayed a sealer over the top. Any craft sealer will do, but I find that some aren't as shiny as others, so you want to test them on a couple of diamond scrap pieces just to make sure they don't actually take the shine away. I did notice that it took, if you can see on the background shine, this one hasn't been done and this one has. So the background in between was a little less shiny afterwards, but the diamond still came through. But the reason I sealed it is the background of this is still sticky. So yeah, we don't want that. So we're going to have a little go, and these are the owls, and he's done half an owl. So these are the other owls we got in the kit. So these are the other owls. I love the owls. They're super, super, super cute. I can't wait till we finish them all. And a purple. I think these are my favourite actually. I really do like those. Okay, so we're going to get on and do some, and then I'll bring you back when they're finished. Okay, so I finished my little owl. Isn't he so cute? The only thing I'd say is the keychains, they're not really strong, so you might want to replace those with, if it's going to go on a bag charm or something like that, you'd probably want to replace this with stainless steel or something like that, something that's a little bit stronger. But he's, or she, is uber cute, beautiful. Little Hands, how are you getting on with your unicorn? Oh, lovely. Okay, so they do take a little time to do, but they're quite relaxing. And then once they're finished, this is the clear varnish that I use. and I have used some other craft varnishes in the past that I didn't like the effect of, and it actually dulled down the shine on the diamonds, and I didn't like that. But this one, I find it's for cars, so it gives you that really good shine. I use that for my resin pieces as well. The only thing I will say is these gems here, obviously you can't pick them up with this. So little hands, if you'd like to, we use blue tack and my tweezers, and it's much easier. So that's a good tip, especially if you're doing quite a few, because it gets really frustrating. There we go. It gets really frustrating to try and pick up these diamonds and put them on with your fingers. Because this is sticky, it can be quite tricky. So yeah, lovely. I've really enjoyed doing these. They are really cute, really fun. Little Hands has enjoyed them, so they can be for children as well. As I said, the butterflies, I'll leave a link to the owls, and on Amazon you just put in butterfly DIY diamond painting kit and keychains, and they come up with lots. I wouldn't recommend the hearts that came with this, because they didn't come with half the gems that was needed. The owls have all been fine, the unicorns are great, and the butterflies were good. But the hearts that came in this set, I wouldn't recommend those. So I won't leave a link to this set, but just put in butterflies and they will come up. But I'll leave a link to the owls because they were really good. And I'll leave a link to the unicorns because they were great as well. So thank you ever so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed the video. And yeah, I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye for now.